I gladly accept gifts of money from others. My future is filled with prosperity. I know that I am abundant. Anyone can be prosperous. When I ask for abundance, it flows into my life. I focus on abundance, and it is drawn to me. I give money away, and then I receive even more. I am excited about building wealth. I release my financial burdens because I know abundance is near. I choose to be positive and abundant in all areas of my life. Money flows freely and openly into my life. I know there is ample prosperity for all. I place no limits on the amount of money I can make. I am creating riches to share with the whole world. I give thanks for my incredibly prosperous life and the prosperity yet to come. I am more wealthy than I ever imagined. I enjoy my prosperity and my life. Money and spirituality coexist within me. I enjoy earning wealth. I always have more than enough money. I welcome abundance into my life. I radiate prosperity. I deserve success and abundance. I now create my wonderful, ideal life. It is so easy for me to open to prosperity. I am relaxing into my greater abundance. I attract prosperity with each thought I think. I am now accumulating vast amounts of wealth. People enjoy paying me for what I enjoy doing the most. Abundance is always within reach. I now receive large sums of money just for being me. I banish the past and now live in the wealthy now. Thank you, universe, for my great abundance. I am passionate about building wealth. I manage my money effectively and with precision. Money flows to me easily, frequently, and abundantly. I spend money wisely. I am now receptive to unexpected gifts of wealth. My mind is a powerful magnet for profitable ideas. Money is positive energy that takes care of my worldly needs and desires. I deserve to be wealthy, prosperous, and affluent. I am a money magnet. Every day, my life is filled with wonderful abundance. I accept and embrace wealth in my life. Great wealth is flowing to me now. Every person is a golden link in the chain of my abundance. I am thankful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. Abundance flows to me. Every dollar I spend circulates and comes back to me multiplied. I am healthy and wealthy. I have a financially stable future for my family and myself. I release all negative beliefs about money and invite wealth into my life. I am in a constant state of fulfillment. I feel wealthy and successful. Abundance and prosperity are my birthright. I dissolve all false messages around creating wealth. I attract prosperity. All resistance to prosperity dissolves away. I am abundant and wealthy now. I release all negative energy about money. I will always be prosperous. I am wide awake to my abundance. I use money to make the world a better place. I boldly seize opportunities. Each day is filled with endless expressions of abundance. I am free to accumulate wealth. I am successful in everything I do. I am only positive towards abundance. Each year, my money increases faster than I spend it. Abundance within me, abundance around me.